On today's adventure, have you ever made fireplace chicken? Well, that's what's about to go down here at Franco's Tavern. Hell yeah. Step number 1. Fill the chimney with charcoal briquettes. Hell yeah. Getting ready. Step 2. Get ready. It's a fire in the hole! Literally fire in the hole. Cheers. Rocha. Tasty. Alrighty, so I have a little piece of fireplace chicken. Oh my god, it actually works so well. I need to get a grate like that at my house, that way I can make some fireplace steaks over the winter. Or burgers. Ooh. Oh, look at that. The fireplace chicken has become a quesadilla! Alrighty, guys.
Hi guys, alright y'all.
Just kidding. But we have the quesadilla here, and some dipping sauces. Get a piece out. Show you that goodness. Oh, look! You can kind of see that goodness. Some goodness there. Check the sauce. A little bit of both. Oh my god. Beer, or not beer, chicken. Fireplace chicken. See, I've had brain fart. Fireplace chicken, phenomenal. Franco's Tavern's where it's at, folks. Absolutely. Wow. Incredible meals here. Incredible entertainment. A lot of fun here. But man, oh man. Who thought you could make or cook chicken in a chimney, in a fireplace? I don't know. I can't remember the word fireplace. I'm a little buzzed. A little Coors Light will help this. Fireplace chicken is legit. This quesadilla is legit. Franco's Tavern has the best atmosphere in Aurora, Colorado, so check it out if you can. You have to put a reservation in first. And that's my store, and I'm sticking to it. Bye.